Well, small bore is we shoot 22 rifle in 3 different positions at 50 feet. We shoot kneeling, prone, and standing, 20 shots in each position, and you want to be as close to the center as you can be on every shot. And it's out of 600 points, and you get an hour and 45 minutes to shoot all 3 positions.
So air rifle is a compressed air cylinder in the rifle, and that is shot at 10 meters, and that's also indoor. And that's shot 60 times, again out of 600 points, and each shot is potential 10 points. 10 points is the best you can get, but on your monitor, which is right next to you, you can get 10.9 or a 10.0. Now those points are exactly the same, it's still a 10, but it shows you which center shot is better.